G'day guys, Greg here. Well, here I am in beautiful Carina, or it could be Camp Hill, I'm not too sure, but anyway, I'm on top of a hill and just take a look at that view of Brisbane city behind me. Pretty impressive, huh? Anyway, I'm going to go to a place today called Stanley Seafood and Barbecue Chicken Shop and try one of their fish and chips. It's got a 4.3 Google star rating, so let's whip on in and see what rating the old Grego will give it. Rightio, let's go get it. Alright, well here we go, the Stanley Seafood Fish and Chips. It costs $13.70. Today I got the snapper, a nice decent cut of fish. Let's suss it out. Yummo. Okay, here we go folks. Alright, one more to go. Okay, here we go. Oh, whoa, take a look at that. Gee. Here, let me spin it around. Check out how yellow those chips are. Woo-wee. Gee, that looks alright. Alright, well how about I start off with some of these chips? They look really good. Oh, I forgot to ask for chicken salt. Oh no, how could I have done that? But let's see how crunchy they are. Yeah. Beautiful and soft in the middle. They seem to have a bit of a dull crunch about them though. I didn't travel too far to get these, but alright. There's a decent crunch there. Could have done with a bit more salt. Preferably chicken salt. I can't believe I didn't ask. Right, well let's suss out this fish. So there's a piece of fish, it's only a hand size. Now this batter, oh, looks really nice and greasy there. Looks like some decent oil coming off. It's a bit of a wind on top of the hill. But that batter, it's looking okay. And, well, this, God, that's hot. Here, let me use a chip to scrape some of this away. So there is some residue of the batter underneath that seems to be stuck to the fish there. But here, let me use another chip. But that fish, wow, that looks great, and it looks like it's a decent thickness there too. But let's try some of this batter. Really nice and light, quite airy, but quite oily too. A really nice greasiness about it that guaranteed will line that gut after a big night out. But let's try some of this fish here. Ooh, why it's still so hot. I tell you what, snapper has got a really nice flavour about it. This one I think is obviously been frozen. But snapper is a really tasty fish. It's got a light fish flavour, but a really nice taste about it that I really like. Let's try it all together. Go away, fly, you're not getting any. This is all for Grego. Oh boy. A really nice hit of grease in your mouth there. And the fish combined with that batter, pretty good. Now, it did come with some lemon, so you know what time it is. Time for the lemon test. Right. Put some over here. Very juicy lemon, that one. Couple of seeds popped out. You got to grow lemons from something, right? Okay. Really tasted good on that piece of fish there. The lemon added a really nice bit of flavour to that fish. It was really tasty. And here's a better view of the thickness of this piece of fish. Not a bad one. You can see it flaking away there, and you can see the girth of it, and in relation to the batter size as well. Now, like I said, Stanley Seafood's got a 4.3 Google star rating. Wonder what star rating the old Grego will give it. Well, $13.70 for a snapper and chips. Well, you know, that's up there, but still, it's a decent meal. It's only built for one person, though. You couldn't feed two people out of this one. The chips, well, they were very yellow, weren't they? They were still nice enough. They weren't, like, awesome. It wasn't that much of a crunch, but the inside of them was nice and soft and really nice, and it could have been seasoned a little bit better. The batter, well, that was really nice and oily and greasy and tasted really good, and boy did I enjoy that. The fish inside, I got the snapper today, one of the more expensive styles of fish, but still had a really nice flavour. Pretty sure it was frozen, but hey, we're only, 30 kilometres to the ocean here. What do you expect? All in all, it was a pretty good fish and chips. So for my Grego star rating, I think it deserves a 3.9 Grego stars out of 5. I thought it was a pretty good fish and chips. It was an okay size for one person. Couldn't feed two with it though, but hey, it's not meant for that. But it is a decent fish and chips. It tasted pretty good with a great batter. And I'm pretty sure if you did end up at Stanley's Seafood and Barbecue Chicken Shop one day, you'd probably like it. I tell you what, they do a chips and gravy there. I saw them pouring the gravy in, mate. I think that is something you will have to try. And their barbecue chickens look pretty good too. They might be worth giving a try too. And if you do go there, tell them Greg sent it. Look, I don't think they're going to have a clue, but if you do tell them, they'll probably down there scratching their head going, who are you talking about? Anyway, I'm going to sit here and finish these fish and chips off and just marvel at the wonders of beautiful Brisbane. Soon to be an Olympic city. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I ate some fish and chips. See you then. Oh yeah, this is